Looking for brunch ideas that are quick, easy and satisfying? We've got you covered with 3 crowd pleasers: a soft and airy Japanese pancakes, a wholesome chocolate banana smoothie bowl, and spicy chili cheese toast. Perfect for lazy weekends, brunch with friends, or even a solo treat. Let's get started. So let's first start with the fluffiest Japanese pancakes ever. For this, separate your eggs, whites in a bowl and yolks in another. And to the yolks, add milk, honey and vanilla and whisk till smooth. Now beat those egg whites till you get soft peaks. Now time for the cut and fold method. Gently combine the two mixes, add flour and mix to get a smooth, airy batter. On a low heat skillet, scoop the batter and let it rise and shine. Flip and cook the other side. Now top it with honey or maple syrup, fresh fruits, and you've got yourself a brunch star. Next up, a smoothie bowl that tastes like dessert. Now for this, blend chopped banana, brown sugar, cocoa powder and milk. Now garnish it like a pro. Dark chocolate chunks, muesli, chia seeds, almonds and more banana slices. Healthy, gluey and totally brunch-worthy smoothie bowl is ready. Now craving something spicy? Let's make chili cheese toast. For this, mix butter with cheese, then add chili flakes, garlic, pepper, coriander and mint. Now lightly roast the bread, spread that cheesy mix on both sides and toast till golden. Now serve it hot with chutney. Here you go, 3 easy brunch recipes for that lazy weekend. For more such easy recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.